Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So here we go, doing another video. This is the third video in this series here, folks. And this is the metric conversions chart right here. We have a worksheet to do. What is the worksheet? The worksheet is right here. It's the conversions of units worksheet number 3. If you haven't already done so, you should probably watch the conversions of units worksheet 1 and 2 prior to doing this one. I've given 2 examples on both of those, and you're going to go back to those and stick with those. Remember the mnemonic device here, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. That will give me King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And that will give me this mnemonic here. This is our base unit here, and M is going to be for meters, that's a length. G is for grams, that's a mass. L, capital L, that is for liters, that is most certainly a volume. I have given in the 2 previous videos 2 examples of which are very similar to these right here. As you go down the staircase, you move to the right. As you go up the staircase, you move to the left. And so we're going to get on with these 20 problems here. And so hopefully we can do this in not too much time. Oh, hey, by the way, if you are learning something from these videos, then I would greatly appreciate you liking and subscribing to What the Crazy Hat Chemist. And I have tons of videos up online. They are for your educational purposes. They're excellent videos, so please watch them. As far as their content, great content. I don't know if they're boring or fun or whatnot, but I try to make them as fun as possible so that you are learning chemistry. I am all about the learning chemistry part. So let's get on with this. Assuming that you have watched the 2 previous videos, this should not be too much of a difficult jump. Here we go. We're going to convert 30 millimeters into decimeters. So millimeters, decimeters. So we got millimeters, and we're going to go to decimeters. So we're going to go 1, 2 to the 2 to the left. So that's 1, 2 to the left. So that's 0.3 decimeters. I'm going to do one other thing here that seems kind of rather small, so I'm going to zoom in on here as much as I can, and that will hopefully work better for you. So I went from millimeters to decimeters, and that's 1, 2 to the left. I started off with this 30. There's my decimal. I moved it 1, 2 to the left. That's how I got that. This next one here, 0.4 kilometers to decimeters. So kilometers is way up here. Decimeters is way down here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Replace these with zeros right there, and that will be 4,000 decimeters. Perfect. That's our answer. Next one is 0.5 liters to deciliters. So liters to deciliters, there's our base unit of liters, and we're going to go to deciliters. So this is 1 to the right, and that's down 1 to the right. There we go. That's perfect. So that will be 5 deciliters. There we go. Let's look like a better 5. Then we have 90 centigrams to decagrams. 90 centigrams, that's right here, to decagrams. So that's going to be going up 1, 2, 3 to the left. That's 3 to the left. That's 1, 2, 3 to the left. There's a 0, so 0.09 decagrams. Perfect. All right. Next one is 20,000 decaliters to kiloliters. If I only had 20,000 subscribers, huh? You could be one of them. You could add on to this and have your cat and your gerbil and your dog and your horse subscribe as well. But before we do that, we'll do this problem here. So decaliters to kiloliters. So that is deciliters to kiloliters. So deci, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So that's going to be 2 kiloliters. All right, perfect. All right, this next one here is 0.3 hectoliters to centiliters. Hecto to centi. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. We're going to replace these with zeros. That will be 3,000 centiliters. Perfect. All right, then we have 4 decigrams to kilograms. 4 decigrams to kilograms. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So that is, there's my decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. There's our new, there's our new decimal, and that's 3 zeros, a 4, and 8 kilograms. That's perfect. Love it. Then we have 0.07 decigrams to micrograms. So decigrams to micrograms, that's right in this lower right-hand corner. There's the micrograms, there's a decigram. So I'm going from deci to micro. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. 5 to the right. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. We're going to replace these spots with zeros. So that will be 7,000 micrograms. Beautiful. Now we have 500 million millimeters to kilometers. So 500 million. I almost have this many subscribers. You could be one of them. That's right. Subscribe now before it's too late. Millimeters to kilometers. So millimeters, that's right here. 2 kilometers, that's right there. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. Let's see if we can apply this to this number. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. That's 500 kilometers. Cool. Awesome. We're going to keep on going here. 0.006 kilograms to milligrams. Kilograms to milligrams. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. 6 to the right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. Replace these with zeros. That's going to be 6,000 milligrams. Beautiful. We have 40,000 micrograms to decigrams. So micrograms to decigrams. Micro is way down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. That's 0.4 decigrams. You realize that I didn't even mention it, but we are more than halfway through. Just want to throw that out there at you. 6 million centigrams to megagrams. So centi to mega. So we're going to have to slide this over here just a little bit here. Move my little weight over. So centi to mega. So here's centi. Mega is way up here. So that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. 8 to the left. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. There's another 0. So 0.06 megagrams. Perfect. All right. Next one is 100 microliters to liters. So microliters, that's way down in this lower right-hand corner here. Microliters to liters. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left. So we're going to replace this with a bunch of zeros. So we're going to have 0.1230 zeros, a 1, and then we're going to have our liters there, our units. Perfect. All right. Next one is the 0.0007 kilometers to millimeters. So kilometers to millimeters. Let's see if we can do that. Kilometers to millimeters. So that's a 1, 2, 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6 to the right. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. So that's going to be 700 millimeters. All right, we're going to keep on going. We got 0.300 decagrams to milligrams. So deca to milli. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. That's going to be 3,000 milligrams. I'm hoping that you're actually doing this faster than I am. That's 3,000 that we're starting off with, milliliters to liters. So milliliters to liters. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 to the left. 3 to the left, that's 1, 2, 3 to the left, that's 3 liters. Perfect. Next one here, 0.006 meters to centimeters. So meters is our base unit to centimeters, so that's 1, 2 to the right. It's 1, 2 to the right, so that's 0.6 centimeters. All right. We have 70 centigrams to grams. That's centigrams to grams. That's 1, 2 to the left. That's 1, 2 to the left, 0.7 grams. And again, the same as the number of subscribers that I have, 200 million millimeters to megameters. Millimeters to megameters. There's millimeters to megameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the left. 9 to the left. Let's see if we can knock this out here. 9 to the left.